Hello everybody, this is Bui from mamaboiskitchen. I hope you are having a great day. On today's menu, guys, we are going to be making Italian dressing chicken with crusted potatoes and stir-fried cabbage. I love dishes that are super simple and budget friendly to make but taste like you sleep for hours in the kitchen. The Italian dressing chicken is at the top of that list. So guys, let's get started. You know Mama Wee doesn't like to waste time. First, we're gonna start by making our herb crusted potatoes. We're gonna cut the potatoes into rounds about half an inch thickness. Once all the potatoes are sliced, I'm gonna go ahead and add them into a pot filled with 3/4 full of cold water and salt. After 10 minutes, drain the potatoes, then wash them with cold water. Leave them in the colander to drain. Then we're gonna transfer them into a baking dish seasoned with garlic powder. We're gonna also add salt and black pepper. We're gonna also add herb panko. Now drizzle with olive oil. Now, using your hand, mix everything together. Arrange the potatoes in a greased baking sheet. Next, lightly spray butter non-stick cooking spray and bake at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 20 minutes or until golden brown. Now let's make Italian dressing chicken. Here in my bowl I have about 6 chicken thighs. We're gonna add soy sauce, Italian dressing, then we're gonna season with garlic powder, black pepper and salt. Give it a good mix, then we're gonna arrange it on a greased baking pan. Bake the chicken at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 40 minutes. The chicken is out of the oven, guys. It smells so good in here. To prep the cabbage, we're gonna cut it in half from each top down through its core. Then we're gonna place the cut side down on the cutting board, then roughly slice it around the core. Once done, place the cabbage on the colander. Then we're gonna wash it under running cold water. Allow it to sit in the colander to remove excess water. Time to fry the cabbage. Add the oil to a large deep pan. As soon as the oil gets hot, add the cabbage. Add jalapeno peppers. We're gonna also add in minced garlic, seasoned with salt, black pepper. We are also adding in our herbs. We're gonna add thyme, oregano, and basil. Then give it a good stir. Cooking is learning about how simple changes like adding herbs and jalapeno to the cabbage can transform a dish from something good enough to something truly special. It's amazing. Stir fry for 5 minutes, then our dish is done. In a saucepan, add oil, then saute the onions until they are soft and translucent. Add minced garlic and stir well. Sprinkle the flour and stir. Cook for 1 minute. Pour in the milk and continue stirring constantly until the milk and flour mixture are combined. Now add chicken bouillon and stir well until it has dissolved. Season with salt and black pepper, then increase the heat, bring to a full boil, then reduce the heat and simmer until the sauce thickens. Now add Gouda cheese, gently stirring until it's melted. Now it's time to plate the food. I hope you enjoyed this video. Give it a like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you get notified. Thanks for watching. Until next time, guys. Bye. Honey for my honey. Bye, my honeys.